Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't been posting in a long time, but that's because I have been quite busy. We just came back from lock-in taping and I also had to quarantine for a long time. I hope everyone subscribed to this channel is safe as well. Or just always stay safe, guys. It's a tough time that we are living in right now and kaya natin to. This is a unboxing and review of some items that ASUS sent me. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung lamesa ko na plywood na papalitan ko na soon is empty. Tapos kung makita nyo ito, merong nakatakip na black backing na nakalat na ayaw kong ipakita sa inyo dahil we are gonna officially renovate our house. I've always wanted na pagandahin tong office na to based on the previous vlogs that you watched before. I'm gonna be transforming this extremely messy workplace into an actual really nice work from home and YouTube studio so that I will be able to produce more videos for you guys. But then, naisip namin ng family and thankfully, we are also capable of renovating the entire house. So that's what we're gonna do in the coming months and I'll take you guys along our journey. A sneak peek for you guys because our designs actually just finished. So this is a sneak peek of what this space is gonna be. Ayoko masyadong i-spoil at i-preempt pero I'm super excited kasi I just want to share it to you guys. This is what the designer came up with. It's beautiful. I love it. We're gonna of course revise that pa and papagandahin pa namin yan. And the furniture isn't final yet. Pero more or less that's the vibe that I want to go with. And kung mapapansin nyo, meron parang area doon na may dalawang upuan that kinda looks like a podcast setup. So stay tuned for that, and I can't wait to set up, of course, my gaming and work from home setup there. This year, that's my project. I want to share it with you guys in future videos. Enough blah blah. Here it is. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna set up these new products from ASUS. These are what ASUS sent me. There. Alright guys, this is what ASUS sent over. I'm so excited to finally open these up. But before everything else, just to be clear, this video is sponsored by ASUS. But I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually think about the equipment and what the purpose of these equipment will be for my life. Because this in particular is something that I think is very handy for me. And especially this one because I really want to upgrade my internet speed and coverage here sa bahay. Let's unbox this one first. The ASUS ROG Rapture GT-AX11000. That is a pretty long name, ASUS. I've seen this a lot of times, and this is basically internet on steroids. I believe this is the most intense gaming Wi-Fi router that you could buy on the market right now. It looks intimidating. Let me look at that. But I heard really good stuff about it, and let's see. All right, helper tips that I don't really read. Okay, I'm bringing out a bunch of cables out of the box. The power brick, AC adapter, 2 power cables, different plugs, 3 power cables. It is an Ethernet cable. Oh my gosh, this is the bad boy here. Look at those antennas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 antennas. Ewan ko na lang kung mahina pa yung internet mo pagkatapos nito. If you have a really good router, you have to have good internet. This won't magically make your internet fast if you have a slow plan. Before we get into the testing later, our internet here sa house is 100 Mbps. That's fiber connection siya. The problems occur pagka ginagamit na ng lahat ng tao. Maybe because yun nga, kulang sa power yung router. Especially ako, I download so many things. Okay, I'll plug in these antennas. And that is the most intense router I've ever seen in my entire life. Seeing it up close is something else. I've been seeing a lot of photos of this exact unit and a lot of reviews na rin I watched about it. I really wanted one for the longest time. Here is, because I'm not into much of the technical specs when it comes to internet and bandwidth and all that. Okay, so later ko na itetest yan because I want to unbox the others first. 1 down, 2 to go. This is the portable monitor. I've never had a portable monitor, and this is a first for me, so I don't know what to expect exactly. Ooh, fancy. Ah, okay, so this is the box, and these are, you're greeted with this sticker. ROG Strix XG17, that is the exact name of the monitor. Rapid refresh rate of 240 Hz. You got an IPS display, high-res audio. Wow. High-res audio, it's rated with the high-res audio badge. And it has battery, embedded battery, and a USB Type-C monitor. So this is very new for me. First thing that I pulled out of the box is a bag. So this is pretty cool. Labas ko nga for you guys muna yung box. So, I'm especially excited for this one because kakagaling lang namin ng lock-in taping. We were in Batangas for almost a month. And we have a lot of downtime there. May mga rest days kami. And syempre, with rest, gusto mo may libangan ka kahit papano. And hindi ko nadala yung PS5 ko doon. Kasi hassle, magdadala ka pa ng TV. With this monitor, especially looking at this bag, I'm assuming you can bring it here. So baka sa next taping namin, pwede ko na siyang dalhin. Ooh. So this is the monitor itself. Wow, that is so thin and light. So it comes with an HDMI cable and a USB-C. A USB-C to male USB-A charging brick. And then this one, yung mabigat kanina, so obviously it's the stand. Para siyang tripod pala. Wow. Whoa. Ah, it's a cover. So they included almost everything that you need to bring it out of your house, and you wouldn't need to buy other additional accessories. So isahan na siya. Tadaan! That is the monitor. So it attaches here sa likod, oh. If you guys could see, for this tripod, until you hear that click. Okay, then you just tilt it down. Ooh, solid, fancy. Really for portability. Like if you're a serious gamer, you need to practice playing your game everywhere you go. This is the monitor for you. This is my quick release buttons siya sa gilid. That's how I removed it. Okay, so this works kind of like another device that most probably everyone knows. It attaches magnetically. Wait, ayun! There. It attaches here. So let's say you want to ditch the stand, open it up like this, and use this as the stand. Magic. So let's test this one in a bit. Time to unbox the third and final item. I've heard a lot of reviews about this na, because what makes this one special is that Asus is using their noise cancellation technology for the mics. Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Your ROG Strix go-to headset was blah 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 blah. Nice packaging, Asus. Comes with a case. Nice touch. I think perfect pair siya with this, because having a case means portability. This is the mic foam screen. Okay, this is the headset, ROG Strix Go. Kaboom! Wow, I have to give it to you, Asus. This headphone looks nice. Nice finish, nice size, good materials. It has a nice weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Feels premium. They also have a USB-C to USB-A male and a USB-C dongle. This is the receiver. The mic attaches through a 3.5 millimeter standard audio cable and a USB-C charging cable. So this is the headset, that is the monitor, this is the router. Time to put this to the test. Alright guys, so this is it, all set up. This is it, this is the portable monitor set up. Super simple to set up, and that is my first impression of it. But also, I was presented with my first con. I just don't personally like it, is that the cords are exposed here. So you don't really get a really clean setup. But then yun nga, it's a portable setup, so this is a type that you would bring with you to, like, let's say another house, or kung may outing kayo or you're going to another country and you want to bring it, rather than bringing a huge monitor. I don't think they prioritized cable management for this particular setup, but just hope or wished it was placed behind pa rin para matago pa rin to. But then, it's really thin kasi. But nevertheless, it's a gorgeous display. It's a 1080p display, so syempre the PS5 users there, you'd wish this was a 4K. I wish it was a 4K, but we're just not there yet. Maybe yung mga future models nito maging 4K na, but I guess in this form factor, hindi pa ready yung mundo. So we have a 1080p Full HD display with 240 Hz of refresh rate. That is really fast. If you have a portable PC, if you have a portable gaming PC or laptop, then this would also be perfect for you guys. If you're using a console naman, or the PS5 specifically, this is currently being powered by the PS5. So sinaksak ko yung USB-C to C dito sa power ng PS5. It's just plugged through the PS5. So one socket lang ang kailangan mo to power all these up. So I want to talk about real life usage and where you would really use this monitor and this setup. Pinakaunang application ko nitong setup nito is for the lock-in taping. Kasi nga, you could bring just this and that's it. That's all you need for you to be able to play your favorite games, like FIFA. If you're a competitive gamer, solid to. Kasi if you need to practice everywhere, then, diba, syempre, you'd want everything to be portable. Let's try to play a bit. This is my first time playing on the monitor, so you guys are gonna see my actual thoughts on the responsiveness, kung meron bang delay, which I doubt. I haven't tweaked the brightness setting, wala pa akong ginagalaw. And while I'm playing, I think it's best to listen to the audio quality. Ooh. I love the fit. The fit is awesome. Good job, Asus. I love the fit. It fits right. Saktong-sakto lang sa tenga ko. It's, I would say, one of the more comfortable headsets that I've tried on. It's not that heavy, and that's what I love about it. It's pretty light, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's light, but it feels premium, and that's what I actually want for a headset. My current headset now is really built well, pero it's so heavy. So, mga 1 hour in or 2 hours in, medyo nagkaka-fatigue na agad yung head. Sound is pretty good. In terms of gain, I'm not that satisfied with the PS5. I think I would have to attach it to the monitor instead para mas malakas. Graphics are good, guys. 1080p, but then on this small display, parang di pa kailangan ng 4K muna dahil it's small. Just right talaga if you wanna game on the go. I don't see the necessary for 4K yet. Syempre, the technology comes at a price. Its major pro is that it's really portable. You definitely get your money's worth for it kasi there aren't that much portable monitors on the market, and this one does its job well. Solid. I'm happy. The headphones, I would have to test more, pero grabe yung comfort. I don't have much time to test really the mic, but here's like a super quick comparison of the noise filter. This is the Asus Strix Go 2.4 without the AI noise cancellation. I have an electric fan sa background, which is pretty loud. And I'm gonna turn it on right now. And it's on now. I just turned it on. So this is the Asus Strix Go 2.4 with the AI noise cancellation. Not a lot of headsets could actually do such thing. So, sa mga may kaibigan dyan na naiinis na kayo, naririnig nyo yung mechanical keyboard niya na sobrang lakas, o kaya naririnig mo yung nagva-vacuum sa likod niya, bilan nyo siya nito. Parang hindi na siya nakakainita. But, or if you're that person that there's just always background noise, then you would need this headset. I'd definitely recommend this headset for you. So yeah, this setup works for me. Like it definitely works, and for sure magagamit ko to a lot. I tested these out. I definitely recommend this. By the way, for everyone's information, these are the prices of the devices, the headphone and the monitor, and the router, which by the way, we are gonna test right now. So I'm gonna set up the router and I'll show you guys the major difference. I really wanna see if it increases range. Kasi ang laki niya, for sure abot to ng malayo. Alright guys, so for the last and final piece of tech that I'm gonna be reviewing, it is the router, which I'm gonna be installing in a bit. But I wanna show you guys first where the router is placed in our living room. So andito siya, along with the telephone line. And well, it's essentially in the middle of the house naman. So it's a pretty good location. This is the speed test results on that router. So dito natin lalagay yung Asus ROG Rapture router. So far yung problems ko nito is sa backyard, hindi na umaabot yung signal. So pagka nag-workout ako doon, naka-LTE na ako, hindi ako naka-Wi-Fi. So hopefully, the ROG Rapture can fix it. So what I'm gonna do now, kakabit natin yung ROG Rapture to the ISP provided modem. So parang magsisilbi na lang tong modem rather than the main router. Turn it on. That's the RGB, ganung design, ang ganda nung dating, sobrang intense, sobrang angas na itsura. Then we'll use the provided LAN cable to attach our internet. Okay, so this is gonna require some setup. So when you do get one of these, nandun naman yung guide, and all you have to do is follow it para ma-set up nyo yung bago nyong router. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Then I'm gonna show you some speed tests. Alright you guys, I'm here outside sa backyard. And my dilemma here, kasi syempre, I love working out with music. My only solution to that is using my LTE na kasi hindi naabot dito yung Wi-Fi namin. So now with this router from Asus, abot na siya. And I have internet here. If you guys could see. That is the router, and I have Wi-Fi, fast internet. When I didn't used to have internet at all unless I on my LTE. And I went on speed test and tried it out, and that is the download and upload speed from the backyard. So 155 Mbps and 181 upload. I've never experienced 181 upload speed. It's higher than my download. It's usually lower. That's a first for me. So right now with the router, it's above average. Definitely above average. On a busy day, pagka hapon maraming gumagamit, yung internet namin nasa 110, 120. Parang yun yung usual with the ISP provided router. So right now, man, with this speed, that is solid, and I hope it stays like this. Most probably it does. And it's a huge plus for me to have Wi-Fi all the way here sa backyard. So I definitely recommend that if you're having problems with your Wi-Fi range. Pero my brother who's behind the camera now would probably be able to test it better than me because he plays a lot of online games. And I'm pretty sure with the the fast technology, that's the actual name that comes with the router, ROG Rapture router. I'm pretty sure, you know, with that tech, na for sure ang baba ng ping at sobrang smooth na ng game yun. No lag at all and really, really good performance. So kudos to you guys at Asus. Thanks again for sending me over these beautiful pieces of tech that I really needed for my home. And I'm excited to show you guys the renovation process here at home. So stay tuned for my future videos in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Maraming salamat and peace. Bye-bye.